What's up guys, my name's Alex and today I'll be answering one of the most common questions that I get about trading in the stock market. That being, how much do I actually need to get started as a beginner? So as a beginner, education is single-handedly the most important aspect of your trading career. You might have watched a handful of free videos, bought a few courses, or actually practiced in a trading simulator before you got started. Now you're ready to begin trading with your hard-earned money, but the question is, how much do you need to invest? Today I'll be going over the basics, keeping this video short and simple, and showing you guys where to get started. Now first, you need to sit down and ask yourself, how much are you willing to lose? Because whether you like it or not, there's that ugly statistic that 90% of traders lose money in the stock market. It is not guaranteed that everything you put into the stock market you will get back out. It's up to you to decide how much you're willing to risk and actually how to manage your risk. The next question that you have to sit down and ask yourself is, how much do I need daily? So a good place that a lot of beginners in my group like to start is with $100 a day, and that's a fair amount in my opinion to start with. So rather than looking at this in a money aspect, I actually like to look at this in terms of percentages. And in my group, the average trader tends to aim between 1 and 5% a day. For example, if I'm aiming for 2% a day, I funded my account with $1,000, I will be making $20 a day with that $1,000. So say you want to make $100 a day, which in my opinion is a great place to start. Look at what percentages you're comfortable making in the simulator. If it's between 1 and 5, let's say 2% in this case. $100 is 2% of $5,000, so you would need to fund your account with $5,000 to make 2% or $100 a day. Another big area that I want to go over is the PDT Rule. So under the PDT Rule, if you have an account balance under $25,000 on a given day, you're limited up to 3 day trades a week. Now that can be very limiting when you're trying to grow a small account, so I will show you ways to go around that in a future video. Now another area that I want to go over is position sizes. Now having less money in your trading account when you're getting started tends to mean that you have to take smaller position sizes. So rather than buying thousands of shares of certain stock, you're only limited to hundreds. With smaller position sizes, you're actually making less on every trade, so you really need to sit around and wait for these larger moves to happen, or actually start off with swing trading. Swing trading is like day trading, except you actually hold your position overnight, and you can hold your position for days, weeks, or in some cases, months. So by now, I hope you have an amount of money that you're comfortable losing, you know what you want out of it in terms of percentage, you have the education to achieve these trades, and you're just ready to get started. So like I said, I want to keep this video short and simple. I just wanted to go over a couple key points with that question. If you guys have any trading questions, go ahead and drop them in the comments or DM me and I will get back to you guys ASAP. If you're interested in connecting, I have a few links down below, including a trading group where I actually post a lot of my trades, watch list, alerts, and so much more. You guys are welcome to join any of those. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got anything out of this video, go ahead and like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next time.